Elevate your business productivity and connectivity with Grandstream's groundbreaking GCC series. The GCC series provides an extraordinary all-in-one solution that redefines the business communications experience. By merging your unified communications, networking, and security solutions into one platform. These innovative devices combine the functionality of 4 key products to provide a state-of-the-art solution that includes a VPN router, next-generation firewall, IPPBX, and network switch, or Wi-Fi access point. Ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, the GCC6000 Series provides a highly integrated platform that consolidates all data networking, security protection, voice and video communication, and collaboration into one seamless, powerful solution. The revolutionary convergence of unified communications, networking, and security offered by the GCC series provides tremendous benefits. The GCC series provides a next-generation firewall with bank-grade security protection. Its state-of-the-art firewall has industry-renowned VB100 Grade A, anti-malware certification, advanced attack defense, adaptive intrusion detection and protection, market-leading AI-based DPI, and sophisticated content filtering and application control. This suite of capabilities provides organizations with comprehensive end-to-end security protection against cyber threats. The GCC series offers a secure central admin interface to manage an organization's entire network in real time, from high-level visual network topology all the way down to a fine granular level. For example, per network node, per endpoint device per user, or per application. This extraordinary solution can be provisioned and managed either locally in the office or remotely through the cloud. The IPPBX function of the GCC series provides a suite of powerful communication and collaboration features, including audio and video meetings, calls, conferences, chat, instant messaging, file sharing, whiteboard, recording, webinars, and more. The GCC series significantly reduces the latency in data transmissions for real-time audio and video applications, thanks to its integration of networking and PBX functionality within a single platform. This built-in smart QoS engine allows these powerful devices to prioritize real-time traffic automatically, ensuring a smooth communication experience regardless of network traffic. The GCC series offers a one-click fast provisioning process to allow installers to set up thousands of IP endpoints within minutes, cutting your deployment time, labor, and costs by up to 99%. The cost of an all-in-one GCC series device is substantially less than the combined cost of a dedicated VPN router, firewall, IPPBX, and network switch or Wi-Fi access point purchased separately. Organizations no longer must purchase and maintain separate systems from different vendors, as they now have one manufacturer that provides a one-stop shop for all networking, security, and communication needs. The GCC series provides a revolutionary all-in-one solution that redefines the business communications experience. Look no further than Grandstream for your unified communications, networking, and security needs.